Welcome to JaviSounds, and in this place we want to put the music right. I want to show you the name of the keys. We have the keys on the piano roll. This is called the piano roll, all of that. It's called the piano roll, okay? And so the piano roll contains the keys, the black and white keys. There are black keys here, you can see them. And we have the white keys right down here. Now we need to know how we name our keys. When you look at the structuring of the keys, of course they're in black and white. When you look at the black keys, they're in twos and threes and twos and threes and twos and threes. The white keys are just below the black keys. And when you look at their arrangement, they are actually separated by the black keys at certain points, but at certain points like here and here and here, there is no separation by the black keys. Now, when we are naming the keys, we use letter names like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When you reach G, don't go to H, you just end at G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But in music, we use C as our home key. It's the home key. It's the first key. So we're not going to start our key from A. We shall begin the first key from the key of C like this. C, D, E, F, G. And then you come back to A, B, C. You see? And the cycle continues. From C, you come back home to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, so the question is, where is our home key on the piano roll? Because you need to know where the home key is before you can find other keys. So before I show you the name of the keys, let's first look at the colors. We have the white and the black. All the white keys on the piano roll, all these white keys are called the natural keys. And all the black keys, the ones that are raised, are called the sharps or flats of the natural keys. Remember, all the white keys are natural, and all the black keys are either sharps or flats. So let's look for the home. The home is the key of C. Looking at the arrangement of the black keys, the black keys are arranged in groups of twos and threes, and twos and threes, and twos and threes, and twos and threes, and so on and so forth. It continues upwards. And when you look at the group of twos, look at the group of twos. The first group of twos is here. The second is here, the third is here, the fourth is here, and so on and so forth, depending on the length of the piano roll. Okay. Now, the white key that comes before the group of two blacks is the key of C. Look at this. This is the group of twos. This white key that comes before them is the key of C. You can look for another place where there's a group of twos right here. Okay? That key, the white key that comes before these two blacks, is C, and that is home. Okay? Now we have a home point here and another home point here. When you go upward or rightward, you will find another group of twos. And the white that comes before them here, that is home. That is key C. And when you go up to that point, the white key that comes before these two blacks is the key of C. And another place is here. These twos and the threes, the white that comes before them is the key of C, and so on and so forth. So if you look at the entire piano roll, you can see the key of C. That white that comes before the group of two blacks is the home point. You can see home is here, home is there, home is there, home is there, and home is there. Okay? C. Home is C. Home is C. Okay? So from the key of C, you're gonna just start to count like C. D, E, F, G. Remember, don't cross to H but come back to A.